98. I dare a nigga try and play me, I'ma lay his ass down like he lazy, but I ain't for none. They put a nigga on parole, see I couldn't walk around with no guns. Well, you can ask bro them, they'll tell you about phone them. I have niggas see me and they run, cause they know I got it on me. And I can work to my homie, I'm just riding around by my lawyer. But she just called, say you wanna ride with me.
Who the fuck is it?
That's the room.
Okay, good y'all boys. I'm gonna introduce everybody, you feel me? We about to record a football video outside. It was literally just a blizzard last night, you feel me? So yeah, this Jared right here, Bone. That's Big Chevy. That's that boy drawing the crackhead. Wait.
Where my football?
I got it. I got it, nigga. I don't know football yet. It's not even cold. It's just like the wind. Nigga, we gonna be fine. We're not gonna be facing the wind. Two. What? I know y'all see that wind. Let me zoom in for you. I can't zoom in right now. Damn it!
I got more than one pair of pants on.
Hey, come on. Be hot.
Telling them his route and stuff.
I'm laughing at whoever doubted me. Ben Franklin's kicking it round me. She trying to get close to me, honestly, she trying to fuck whoever around me. I'm losing count, it's taking too long to count it, I need to account it. That probably won't work, I don't trust bitches, fuck around, just had to count it out. Send me Matic, blow that shit, bitch, hop out the bush like a rabbit. Remember I had to make pallets, double G powder my jacket, easy, run up, get wrapped like a packet. I'm running back, you, I laughed, you finna start walking, you should keep running. Offset Volanos, frame, keep running. Can't see my GPS phone, keep jumping, they shit, but your woman try to talk about nothing. We already fuck, we ain't talk about fucking. Hit that rotate, skate, relocate. I'm on that bag, ain't slapping like 4 days. For them on that, they ain't taking off no days. Pull up this whip, you see at a showcase. Only got hundreds, just fly through the tollways. Coming here, brain on doorways. Knew I had it when I was on 4-way and 4th grade. With some bitches from the 6th grade. Spinning them hoes like a tornado. I blow a bitch like a grenade though. She try to kick it like.
Yeah. Perky 30, got me higher than a bitch. I make wifey ride it, that's my rider and shit. I'm like energizing, she get tired on the dig. Yeah, I come inside her and make these hoes eat my kids. I'm a young fly nigga with a pocket full of bankrolls. Contact full of licks, you'll fit with stink holes. Trap house full of peas, get them going a day or so. Only time you niggas play the block with some Legos. Hefe, bitch, you know I've been a boss. Got these plugs tryna front me, they heard that I get it off. Let me hear you dissing Wody pussy, I'ma get you off. Niggas making tracks, we in these streets, you know these niggas soft. Nike check a lick for them, hoopty and I'm wavy.
Alright, yeah, boys. We had to leave the fitness center because some people had walked in. And we got I got my shirt on. We just closing the height and they looked at us like we crazy. We ran out that bit. Alright, so look, y'all. We about to play hide and go seek back here, you know what I'm saying? We were just doing that, well, basically manhunt, whatever you wanna call it. It's called this shit. It's called this shit, man.
It's not even that cold.
Drone still?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
The football's over there still? Yeah, so we did, cause I had frostbite, even though I did have frostbite, my hands was cold as shit. We left everything there.
For like 5 hours.
Hell yeah, down there. I put in my shit back right here. Lit videos coming soon, man. Lit videos coming soon. What's up, Coach? Come in. Hurry up.
You got a touch on?
is it?
That's your own.
Hit the strip out the school, couldn't wait till I got out of class. Used to stare at the clock and shit. Before all this rap shit.